Okay, here's part 2 of firing off seatbelt things. This is the very other end of the seatbelt that goes around your shoulders and stuff. And what it does, it's got this cable in here that when you wreck, it fires something and yoinks the seatbelt down real tight so you don't bounce around on the car, I guess, and eat airbag. But I'm gonna somehow fasten both ends up. I want to put the pig in the middle so when it yoinks tight, it's gonna launch the pig up in the air. Because you know me, I love those flying pigs. Hey, look, it's the famous wasp nest pit, but there's nobody home yet. Give it time, they'll be there. I just got to find a good place to. I was hoping to go from there to there, but that's not quite long enough. We'll see. I'll get it fixed up. I need more camera people here. I'll find something. I'm getting all set up here, and it started raining. I'm gonna have to put this one off for a minute. I gotta cut that loose so it doesn't get all moist. Crap. To be continued. All right, here's my setup. I got one slow motion camera rolling. Check it out, the pig's got a rider this time. He's got all his safety equipment on. He's not gonna have a good day though. It looks as though he might run into some kind of obstacles. And since I don't have extra hands with me, I'm just gonna put both these cameras on slow-mo and fire this sucker off. Here we go. Well, that was kind of interesting. It did hit where the street light used to go. And look, the seatbelt's pulled tight. That worked okay. Neato. Well, hey, the rider didn't fall off. The pig's head's intact. There's something rattling around inside the pig. I don't know what that is. Anyway, thanks for watching. Kind of boring, but whatever.